welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me once again for another CVS deals video. If you're new here, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, and also check the description box for a link to Google Doc for all the deals I'll share in this video. I'm going to start this video with CVS Vitamins. They are not giving back any extra care box, but they are on sale for buy one get one free. Pick up two 250-count vitamin C priced at $4.69 each. The good thing is that these items are on sale, so you're paying for just one. Pay $4.69, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $3 back on each one. That means you're getting back $6 from Ibotta, making these two free and $1.31 money maker. The next item I have is not giving back any extra care box, and that's the CVS Health Heartburn and Gas Flavor Chews, priced at $5.99. I received a text message CRT of $4 off celebration, sun care, digestive health and supplements that is attaching to this item. Pick it up, pay just $1.99, then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $3 back, making it free and $1 money maker. If you don't want to use this CRT for this item, keep watching. I have two more examples on how to use it in this video. This deal is on Palmolive dish liquid. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $3 back. Pick up two priced at $4.99, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $2.50. And these two will total $7.49. We have a $1.25 off digital coupon that will drop it down to $6.24 and you get 3 back, making them just $3.24 or $1.62 each. The next deal is buy two any CoverGirl Cosmetics and you get $6 back. Pick up two CoverGirl Perfect Blend pencils priced at $6.59 each, and both will total $13.19. Check your app for a $4 off CoverGirl CRT and a $3 off CoverGirl coupon. That will take off $7 and you pay $6.18 and get 6 back, making them just 18 cents or 9 cents each. The next cosmetics deal I have is on Maybelline Cosmetics, and they're on the deal of buy 2 get 5 back. Pick up two Maybelline baby lips priced at $5.29 each, and both will total $10.58. Everyone received a $4 off Maybelline CRT. Check your app and make sure it's there. Using the $4 off, you pay just $6.58 and get 5 back, making them just $1.58 or 79 cents each. My next deal is on Colgate toothpaste or mouthwash, and it's on the deal of buy 2 get $5 back, and they're on sale for $4.99. Pick up two Colgate mouthwash and both will total $9.98. Use the 3 off 2 digital coupon to drop it down to $6.98 and you get 5 back, making them just $1.98 or 99 cents each. The 5-ounce Eucerin lotions are on sale for $4.99, and when you buy one, you get $4 back. And this is a very easy deal, and it will also make a very good filler item. Pick up one, pay $4.99 and you get 3 back, making it just $1.99. If you have the $2 tier pad coupon, use it with this deal, and after the coupon come off, you pay just $2.99 and get $3 back, making it free. The next deal is buy 2 get 6 back on any Palo skincare. Pick up 2 Palmer's cocoa butter priced at $7.99, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off. That means the first one will be full price and the second one will be $4. And these two will total $11.99. Pay that and get $6 back, and that will make both lotions just $5.99 or $3 each. Another easy deal you can pick up this week is the Gillette Shave Foam. They're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and they are part of buy 2 get $4 back. Pick up two, priced at $3.89, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $1.95. These two will total $5.84. Pay that and get $4 back, making them just $1.84 or 92 cents each. The next deal I have is spend 25 get 10 back on Neutrogena or Aveeno facial care. Pick up the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel priced at $25.99. We have $3 digital coupon for this product, and I also have a 5 off 20 Neutrogena facial care CRT. That will take off $8 and drop it down to $17.99, and you get 10 back, making it just $7.99. The next Neutrogena deal I have is not giving back any extra care box, and that will be on the 25-count facial wipes. They on sale for $5.69 each. Pick up two, both will total $11.38. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay just $7.38, making each one just $3.69. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 7 back on any Nivea body wash. If you prefer the men Nivea body wash, pick up 2 and they are priced at $5.99 each. Both will total $11.98. Pay the $11.98 and get 7 back, making them just $4.98 or $2.49 each. Or you can pick up the Nivea Women Body Wash priced at $6.99. Pick up 2 and they will total $13.98. Pay that and get $7 back, making them just $6.98 or $3.49 each. The next deal is buy 2 get $10 back on Coppertone Sun Care. If you can find the Coppertone Baby Sunscreen Stick priced at $9.99, pick up 2. Both will total $19.98. Use $2 off Coppertone hang tag coupon to drop it down to $15.98 and you get 10 back, making them just $5.98 or $2.99 each. Another way you can use the $4 CRT I showed earlier on if you don't want to do that deal. Add the $4 CRT to this deal, and with the $2 coupon, that means you're taking off $8, dropping it down to $11.98, and you get 10 back, making them just $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next sun care deal I have is on the banana boat, and they're on the deal of spend 25 get 10 back. Pick up 3 banana boats after sun care priced at $8.99 each, and they will total $26.97. Use $2 off hang tag coupon to take off $6 and drop it down to $20.97, and you get 10 back, making them just $10.97 or $3.66 each. If you prefer to use the $4 CRT with this deal, this will be your breakdown. The 3 coupons and the CRT will take off $10 and you pay $16.97 and get 10 back, making them just $6.97 or $2.32 each. L'Oreal Elvive shampoo or conditioner are on sale for 2 for $10, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2, use the 3 off 2 digital coupon to drop it down to 7 and you get 3 back, making them just $4 or $2 each. The next deal is spend 20 get $7 back, and Dove hair care is part of this deal. Pick up 4 Dove shampoo and conditioner priced at $5.99 each, and they will total $23.96. When I scanned these items, 2 coupons came up, a 4 off 2 coupon and a 5 off 3. And I know lately the glitching has not been working the way it used to. So if you're doing this deal, pay attention when you're checking out to see if the coupons are coming off. And if it does come off, your subtotal will be $14.96 and you get 7 back, making them just $7.96 or $1.99 each. The next hair care deal I have is on OGX, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 40% off, and when you buy 2, you get $4 back. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner priced at $9.29, and with the buy 1 get 1 40% off, the second one will be $5.57. These 2 will total $14.86. Use a 4 off 2 digital coupon to drop it down to $10.86 and you get 4 back, making them just $6.86 or $3.43 each. The next deal I have is on Degree Dry Spray, and they're on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2 men's Degree Dry Spray priced at $7.79, and with the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $3.90. These 2 will total $11.69. Pay that and get $3 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each spray. That means you get back $4 from Ibotta. Then submit your receipt to Fetch for 2,000 points for buying 2 and another 500 points for just buying Degree product. That means you get back 2,500 points from Fetch, which is almost $2.50. After the extra care box, the Ibotta rebate, and the Fetch reward, these 2 will end up costing just $2.19 or $1.10 each. If you receive Unilever email, check, cause mine I have a $1.50 off 2 coupon, And if you use it with this deal, it will drop your subtotal down to $10.44 and you get 3 back. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each spray and to fetch for 2,500 points. After the extra care box, Ibotta rebate and the fetch reward, these two will end up costing just 94 cents or 47 cents each. The next deal I have is on Chic disposable razors. They on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2 you get $3 back. Pick up 2 and they are priced at $9.99, and with the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $5. They will total $14.99. Check your app. We have a $3 off coupon that will drop it down to $11.99 and you get 3 back, making them just $8.99 or $4.50 each. Cottonelle 9 Mega Rolls are on sale for $10.79 and they are part of spend 20 get $5 back. Pick up 2, both will total $21.58. Pay the $21.58 and get 5 back, making them just $16.58 or $8.29 each. The next deal I have is spend 30 get $10 back, and we can start this deal off by picking up the 240 count Gain dryer sheets on sale for $9.99 and 2 Gain detergents on sale for $9.99. These 3 will total $29.97. Use a $2 off Gain digital coupon and check coupon 24 app for a $2 coupon for the dryer sheet and another $2 coupon for the Gain detergent. These 3 coupons will take off $6 and drop it down to $23.97 and you get 10 back, making them just $13.97 or $4.66 each. Another option for the spend 30 is to pick up 1 bounce dryer sheet on sale for $6.99 and 2 Tide Pods on sale for $13.49 each. These 3 will total $33.97. Use a $3 off Tide Pod digital coupon. Check coupon 24 app for a $3 coupon for the second Tide Pod and a $1 coupon for the bounce dryer sheet. The 3 coupons will take off 7 and drop it down to $26.97 and you get 10 back, making them just $16.97 or $5.66 each. The third option I have for this deal is to pick up 1 Tide Pod on sale for $13.49, 1 Gain detergent on sale for $9.99 and 1 bounce dryer sheet on sale for $6.99. These 3 will total $30.47. Use a $2 off Gain digital coupon, a $3 off Tide digital coupon, and $1 off bounce coupon from Coupon 24 app. That will take off $6 and drop it down to $24.47 and you get 10 back, making them just $14.47 or $4.82 each. The Vida Biscuits are on sale for $3.99 and when you buy 1, you get $8 back. Pick up 1, pay $3.99 and get $1 back, making it just $2.99. Special Case cereal are on sale for $1.99, no extra care box back. Pick up 2 and they will total $3.98. We have a $1 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $2.98. Submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back on each. That means you're getting back $1 from Ibotta. After the Ibotta rebate, these 2 will end up costing just $1.98 or 99 cents each. If you like the perfect scent fragrance, they're on sale for buy one get one free. The blue ones are priced at $19.99, so if you pick up 2, you pay $19.99 and that will make each one just $10. The female fragrance are priced at $12.49. If you pick up 2, pay $12.49 and that will make each one just $6.25. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.